if you're like me and you know what, you overheat a lot in the summertime heat, this is something I recommend for you. It's a fan, but it also contains water down here. So it uses the cooling factor of water and fan. And just going over the box here, you know what? You got wind speed. It's cool. It's timing. It's got a light on it. It's got a sleep mode, and it's very low noise. And on the side here, you've got a desktop fan, so you can run it with no water or ice. You can run water, which is a humidifier. Then it's got a little air conditioner when you add ice to it. So how awesome is that? I will throw some ice cubes in here and see what it does. You guys are seeing it for the first time. I'm seeing it. You get a little set of instructions here, but you know what? We're good on that. Very nicely packaged with bubble wrap. You always like seeing that. So set that aside. We got the, yeah, look at that, everybody. Oh, I'm gonna have more fun with this than I will with the fan. Let's just open it up. It looks like we open it up right here, right down in here. What is all this? Those must be some sort of little filters right there. You get a USB-C cable to it, and these filters get replaced. It comes with filters installed, so it already has those installed. Very simple to do that. You can see there's an on and an off. So right here, you change out those. So you're gonna need a power bank to run it. Put that in there like that. Wow, okay, nice. It only needs 5 volts to run it. So this thing could technically run off a solar panel too. Wow, just as a fan, it's great. That's great, everybody. It's got a 2-hour, a 4-hour, 3 modes of operation, low, medium, and high. Cooling right there. That must be for the mist. Obviously, there's nothing in it. Let's turn the lights out and see what the light looks like, because I love it when they put lights behind the fan right there. Watch how it changes colors right there. 7 different modes of light around the back. This would be awesome in like a kid's room, and all you got to do is run it to you could run it to like a little power brick on a wall or something. Very cool on that. You turn that on and off. There's just the red right there. It would just set like that right there. Tell you what, let me go get some water, fill this thing up with water, throw some ice cubes in there, and then we'll do a temperature check on it and see where it's actually at. What is the temperature in the fan? This is without water. Looks like we got 75 degrees. Do it twice, there's 75. I'll turn the light on. Now this is without the water, so there's no change in there. I got 74 on that. It's just blowing air in the room right here. Let me go add some water to this, then I'll take a temperature with water, then I'll add some ice cubes. We'll see what it does with ice cubes and see if it truly is an air conditioner. Okay, so I got a little bit of bottled water here. Let's just put some bottled water in this thing. Goes in just like that. Now that goes down there like that. It is latched, does it? Okay, it's not as bad for water spillage. Y'all see that? Yeah, that works. It still spills a little bit, so be careful. Just that little plate in there definitely helps with that. But everybody, it's actually getting cooler right here. So what were we before? We were at 75. Actually, that was our last one right there. 71. 71.7. 55. No way. 59. Right down here along this area, and you turn it up like that, it makes the mist spray come up. 50 degrees, 59 degrees. Let me throw some ice cubes in here and let's see what it does then, because right now I'm impressed. Okay, I just went to the fridge, got me a little handful of ice. So I went from just room temperature water to now it's got ice cubes in it. Let's turn on the cooler. Let that go a little bit. The lowest we got with it on just water was 51 or 50, right? 58, 55, 49. It's going down. It's finally starting to catch up. 49. 49 degrees with ice cubes in there. What's the lowest we can get this thing down to? I keep getting 49. So with ice cubes, it seems to go right at 49. Everybody, I could tell you, just from the way that feels, that is drastically cooler. 44 degrees has been the coldest temperature I got. 51. With the ice cubes, the way it is, so using it as a air conditioner, it really does. It gets down to, I got down to 40 degrees. So I mean, I got down to 44 degrees. Without it, it just circulates room temperature, which is obviously, but with water, just water, without the ice cubes, you get a 15-degree drop in this thing. This thing works, everybody. I'm impressed. I'm definitely going to be using this amongst my travels. I'm going to keep it in my van when I do some of that summertime van camping and have it for that. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the portable air conditioner, humidifier, desktop fan. See y'all in the next video.